Let's set up my new bird feeder. Look how adorable this is. I literally lost my mind when I saw this. I got this, the seeds, and a pole all from Tractor Supply today. I'm filling it with a bird watchers medley. This will attract cardinals, blue jays, and woodpeckers. But there's also little bits for my tifted tutmouses and my finches. I can't have it too close to the window because my cat scares off all of the birds, and I can't have it too close to the fence because squirrels are gonna jump onto it. I put it here initially and then I moved it so that I could see the fresh milk from my window. I have black cherry and mulberry trees in my backyard, so I have a lot of bird activity. We'll see how this does.